Hello guys, this is Vysh. So many students had the query of like whether Vysh IAS provides current affair magazines or how is it like we give current affair. So we have a scheduled test series which are all soft copy PDF. We don't have any online portal or we don't trouble you with websites, and we don't want all those things. We give you the PDF right away. Okay, so because it is, we consider that is one of the best in the country, we have a specific pricing also for that. It's not like given for free like all others are doing. You will understand the quality when you see the material. So already one PDF 1 month you can get it for free also. Okay, so how to get it I have already shown you. Again in this video I'll again tell you. So you'll get 1 month PDF. You will understand. Okay, once you do that from top to bottom, not like simply glance through. As a serious aspirant, take it, read it MCQ by MCQ, the notes, everything, and then you take any test of any institute and try solving it. Everything would have been already covered in our material. Okay, you would be able to solve them. So that way you will understand the standard of this test series. So every test is designed like that. Now because current affairs is what is like the most important thing of UPSC, we have special offer packs also for that. Okay, you can buy whichever month you want. You want only 1 month, or you want 12 months of the latest one, or the 12 upcoming months, or maybe 2 years before this. Everything, at least last 3 to 4 years current affair is there. Everything is designed by me only. Now just now I completed the July 2020 current affair drafting, which because tomorrow there is a test. Tomorrow my students of 2021, they'll get it. Okay, because it's part of their package. They have 75 test package for 1 year course. Tomorrow is the 9th or 10th test. Okay, so they will get the July current affair test. So I'll show you that PDF today with the specialty, because July month, two important things happened on the month end, like July 30-31. The Rafale jets arrived in India, and also the new educational policy draft was out. So those two things are very, very important for your prelims, mains, interview, everywhere for this year, next year, and at least for next 2 to 3 years. These things are going to be the hot topics. So you have to know about this. And that July current affair is what is given for this offer price. Now let's get into more details. I'll show you the PDF, July 2020 PDF, and also some MCQs. Okay, we post a lot of community tab MCQs, and many ask for solutions. So we give it through video itself. So I'll tell you the solutions for that. So these are the feedback from students of this batch, 2021 students who are studying with my timetable. So as I told, 5-6 tests are over. Okay, the NCERT tests are over, science tests is over. So these are their feedbacks. Okay, because these are students like you who are looking for something genuine, something which is relatable to UPSC. So these are all the feedbacks from them in WhatsApp in the recent last 1.5 month. Okay, there are more, but I just picked up few to fill up a screen. Okay, you can pause this and read. I am not going to read through everything, and you can connect me with WhatsApp anytime. Any doubts how to begin and all these things, I'll guide you. The mistakes made by students, okay, when it comes to UPSC is that they follow the thing which is running in the market. Okay, they think like, okay, this is the institute which everybody is telling, I will do. These people have a bigger website, more graphics, more animations, I'll go for that. Please don't do that. There are certain factors while choosing a test series or a coaching institute. Okay, when you watch my guidance videos, you will understand that. You have to look the cost, you have to look the size of it, you have to look the accessibility, you have to look whether you will be able to follow it, whether a beginner can understand that. Okay, and whether monthly they are giving quality material. It's not like first 1 month they'll give good thing, then second month, third month they'll give something wrong, or they will delay the delivery or something like that. You should look all the factors. So this poor decisions which you make, okay, bad investments, incorrect approach, this is all because you did not do the initial research properly. Now 2021 students, because you have a lot of time, you are the most luckiest batch, I keep telling, because even 2020 prelims has not happened, and we are not sure whether it will happen in October or not. You are already starting to study. Okay, so you have a extra at least 3 to 4 months which no other batch got till date. So make use of this 15 months or something which you are going to get, and study from the best materials. Okay, but rather than having the regret after the exam that I chose something wrong, choose the best materials. So we'll see the current affair packages, especially starting with the July 2020. I'll show you MCQs also. So this is what is the sale today which I opened, because it's ready just now. You make the payment, immediately you'll get it. Okay, just WhatsApp me how to of what you need, but watch the video till the end, because I'm going to tell you more of more tests like this in this video. So this is the PDF how it will look like July 2020. Every current affair magazine will have an index like this, because other than the 100 MCQs, you see the first line is 100 MCQs, and then after that these two sections, Rafale and new educational policy, these are the things only in July current affair test. Similarly, like May month, if you take, there will be that Atmanirbhar scheme and that economic stimulus packages. If you remember, part 1, part 2, part 3, the finance minister came every day evening live, and she was explaining different schemes. So that notes were there in May month. So like that, every month may or may not have special columns like this. Okay, like for example, now if you click on this Rafale detailed notes, it goes to your page number 142. So like this, it will be here, and it will be, even the news article will be there. This full notes is prepared based on Indian Express articles, these 3 Indian Express articles with the link. So here you can see the basics. Okay, like what are the size, the range, the weight, the speed, that kind of things is given first. Then after that, in the next page, the controversy, like before 2014 there was a deal, or they're telling there was a deal, then after that the deal actually happened and now delivery happened. So that difference, okay, only the difference, because what other institutes do is they give you paragraphs and paragraphs and you don't understand, or you don't know how to highlight the important points. So we have done the highlighting for you. Okay, so this is the before and after thing. Then this more details, okay, where like very prelims oriented thing, like India is the 4th country to have Rafale, or what is the price, or how is it compared to other China or someone's their things. And then the missiles which can be fitted on that. Okay, see, these are all the missiles which can be fitted on that, and that kind of details. Okay, and the latest news, this is the latest news. If you see 27th, they started from there, 29th they came here. So it's a step-by-step detail thing. Okay, like nobody does this for you in this format where you can easily understand, user-friendly thing. Okay, else you have to read the big editorial which we are summarizing for you. So this is the Rafale thing. Now if you go back to the top in the table of contents, here again, new education policy. If you click on this one, it will take to the next, I think, page number 146. So you click on that. So here if you see 6 Hindu articles, I have read it. Okay, this is what you have to read yourself, but I have read it, I have summarized it. So the general updates will be there, like which committee suggested it, what is the different changes, general updates first. Then we'll have the school level updates, see all the things are the objective aim, everything. Then the higher educational level, all the schemes or something which is in future it will come. Then the history, okay, the main things, 1968 there was an education policy, and 1986, it's very easy to remember, 68 and 86. Okay, so both the years there were big educational policies. Then after that, RTE Act came, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan came, and DPEP came. There are many things which came. And after that, you have to know the constitutional provisions, because that is what UPSC's favorite topic. So all the amendment, all the DPSP related to that also has been listed. So you get it everything in the form of very crisp, neat notes. Okay, and see, Rajya Sabha TV episodes are there. This also, it's not like the latest one. One is 1 year back when the 3-language formula was there. Then the NEP 2020. Then when Hindi audience will need a different one. So that also I watched and I've kept the playlist. So this is a complete coverage. Okay. And all this is extra. It's not even part of that 100 MCQs. This is extra notes for you. Okay. And then see, infographics are there. Whatever is good in the news, that I have picked up. Okay. These are all the best ones in the country. There will be many infographics, but the easiest one which anybody can read and understand, that's what I have kept here. Okay. Then you can go back on top, table of content. So here if you see 100 MCQs, if you click on 100 MCQs, which you see here, the first line, it will show you the MCQ. So this is the standard. Okay. We'll give you like MCQ. This is an answer PDF, that's why it look like question PDF. The explanation part will not be there, only everything will be black font and it will be looking, you have to do it yourself. Okay, so that also will be given along with this. So this one, if you see solution, the explanation, the news item, and the news link. Okay, this one if you click, it will take you to that Hindu or Indian Express from wherever I have taken. Okay, that news link will be there. So this is how the MCQ will be there. So like this, around 80, 86 or 90 pages are full of 100 MCQs, which are all with the news link. So you can study like a double studying. Okay, not only what I give you, but the news link also. But I assure you that almost whatever is there in the news link will be already covered here. But still you can read it. So because you have the time now. Okay, you can be an expert by the end of 1 year. So this is how the July will look like. Now instead of going like random, we will go to our community tab where I've already posted questions for you. Okay, you go to this community tab because most students don't use it, but that is where I post almost every day something I'll be posting. Okay, so if you see here, this is one of the question. So Asia Pacific Disaster Response Fund seen in news is related to which bank? Okay, a typical UPSC type question. Okay, UPSC has problem of UPSC have this interest in this fund. Okay, many detailed question they ask, even the amount and all they ask sometimes. But here is a very easy question. So here answer, I think, yeah, it's Asian Development Bank only. People who have voted, 167 people. See, 4 hours ago, today only I posted. So it is true only. In the, let's see the PDF how it will be. Okay, disaster. Asia Pacific Disaster Response Fund. Okay, see the MCQ will look like something like this. See the explanation. What is the fund? What are the priorities? What kind of activities are eligible for the grant? Who is eligible for the grant? This is the maximum what UPSC will ask you. So whatever is priority, that is covered in the form of crisp notes. Okay, and the news item is also given to you. This is the news because something happened. Now some 3 million USD was given for India, so that is why it is in news. So that is the question number 1. Now we'll go to next question. See, if you see here again a report, another favorite topic. So Global Forest Resource Assessment, FRA report. So it is released by FAO once in every 5 years. So two things you have to know. Then India is among the top 10 countries that have gained in forest area in the last decade. So this looks true only. So 2 only, see, most of people have voted, but actually the answer is both 1 and 2. Okay, so only 30% of people have voted correctly out of 233 people. So it is 5 years and it is by FAO. So these are things which you maybe every institute don't tell you in detail. Okay, and now let's go and see the explanation. FAO. Okay, let's search it directly from here. This is how it look in the PDF. So you get again both 1 and 2. So it's a down to earth magazine article. From there I took this. So this is how it is. Okay, India is in the top 10. It is actually 3rd position, and this comes every 5 years. Okay, report once in every 5 years. So this is the question number 82 which I posted. Now this next question. Okay, so these and all you can skip while going to my community tab if you want. This motivational quotes in phone also I am also sending in WhatsApp to everyone nowadays, whoever is there, so you can get there also. So take it seriously. Your preparation means a lot to us also, because we need results from Vysh students. So we try to give all the things which is possible from our side. There are more questions. I think at least 6-7 questions I posted. See, this is which of the following are true about Inter-Parliamentary Alliance on China? Okay, so it was recently established in 2020 by Alliance of the Parliamentarians from several democratic countries, and India is one of its founding members. Okay, so this is something new, I believe. So let's check the answer. I think the students have answered correctly only. Parliamentary Alliance. Yeah. Parliamentary Alliance, where is it? Yeah, this one. So one only is correct. Okay, it was recently established in 2020. See, June 4 2020 it was established, and India is not a member. Okay, I think India is not a member. That is why statement 2 is wrong. See, these are the founding members. Okay, so it's very recent. India is yet to join also. So, and this is a news item, and this is the news article, Economic Times. So this much detailed. Okay, whatever topic I teach you, I guarantee you that you will know in and out about that. There will be no nothing which will be missed. Okay, this is the maximum which any institute will give, but they actually overdo it. They give the unwanted things also without any highlighting, so you get confused what to study. Now, which of the following are among the 10 indicators used in MPI? This is a very old topic also, and it keeps coming in news every year because India is always in the poorest side of ranking. So here also the people have voted incorrectly. Only 21% voted correctly. Annual income is not part of it. Okay, but this is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, which you see, it is there. So going to the solution. Multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional poverty index. So if you see here, all the things in detail. Okay, UPSC have already asked this. Okay, what are the parameters used? So these factors in detail, all the with weightage. Okay, because they ask even the weightage level, not only the name. So if you see our annual income is not there, so answer is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the detailed thing with the news item. See, Hindustan Times. So almost at least I think 8 to 9 national newspapers I am referring. So you will not miss anything. Okay, you should not miss anything. And this is a very interesting thing, pace or pacer. Okay, seen in news is relation to what? India's relation with whom? And this is correct answer. It is USA only. So if you take here pacer, maybe it will come up. Yeah. So pacer, it is USA. So explanation is given. It's not a new thing, but it has come in news now because India and USA had a discussion related to something else, and there the collaboration was discussed. Okay, so Economic Times, and see in detail I have given the notes, and this is taken from their own website. Okay, the USA's website. So it should have everything which possibly a student can study, or possibly what UPSC can ask. So it's detailedly given. So it's about India USA relation. Okay, do we have more questions in July? Yeah, this is again a basic science question. Like you have to set it in this wavelength and frequency order. It's a very easy thing actually. Students, I think they would already know. Okay, this answer, I think it is wrong. Okay, it should be 213, 2143 maybe. Okay, we can check it. And I'll tell you a trick also how to remember this from left to right or right to left, because it's a very basic science question. So if you don't know that, then that's actually bad. Okay, electromagnetic spectrum, you know, the UV rays and all those things are there. So it is 2134. Okay, so here I think, yeah, trick I have mentioned in the test PDF itself. Okay, GX UVMR. Okay, so GX is gamma, then X-ray, then the ultraviolet, then the visible light where you have all the VIBGYOR colors, then infrared, and then microwave and radio. Okay, so we have given you, and within the UV rays it will be UVC greater than UVB, UVA. So the frequency decreasing order, meaning higher frequency will be for gamma rays, and then it will go on reducing. Similarly, lower wavelength will be for gamma rays. Okay, it will be in the opposite way. And even within the visible light I have given you. Okay, that is why, like, after UVI, if you see, V is visible light, and after that red is at the rightmost, and after red it will be infrared. Similarly, leftmost will be violet, so the left of that will be ultraviolet. Okay, so ultraviolet and violet, here red, and next one will be infrared. So these are very basics, so you should know that. Okay, any more MCQs? Yeah, we'll see one more. High level political forum sometimes in the news. This is again not a very recent current affair, but it keeps coming in the news, and it is true only. It is Sustainable Development Goals, HLPF. It's important, I think, for mains also. A question is expected to come, because every country is trying to achieve the target of Sustainable Development Goals. So it is true only, and here explanation is given with all the detailed notes and the news, business world. Okay, a news item has come. Niti Aayog had involved in that. So this is how the July current affair will look like. So same way there are all the other tests. Maybe I can show you. See, economic survey, I did a sale that day, that time on 29 May month I did this, and all you can buy. Okay, but it's better you enroll to the full package so that you don't have to do like this single purchases, because if you are a serious aspirant, you need all of them. It's not like you study only Rafale or only educational policy. Okay, like May current affair, if I open for you, it will look something like this. If you go to the top, if you see here, economic stimulus packages, I had put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was the specialty of May month. Okay, remaining everything is same. Same means same structure. Obviously, news items will be different. Okay, so if you suppose click on package 2, it will take you to package 2, and this entire thing, okay, with the news link is there from which news item I took it. So this is like expected for you to study, okay, whatever schemes the government has announced. And same way, if you go to economic survey, for which I made a detailed 1.5 hour video explaining the importance of economic survey. So here again, if you go to the top, see, this designed for your civil service exam. So it's completely having everything what you can possibly study from economic survey and budget document. Okay, so others who are seeing the channel for the first time, this is the WhatsApp number. Okay, just come and WhatsApp me. You can talk with me. You can ask what you want. Okay, through chat, and then we can decide like what is good for you. So this is how the current economic survey will look like. If you go to the bottom, lot of infographics I put. These are all taken directly from the document only. So this is how the PDF will look like. Now hope it's clear like what Vysh IAS offers. So this is the pricings of special packages. If you see, this is the part of 2021. That means, see, 2020 June to May, 12 months. So this 12 months, if you buy, this thing automatically comes inside that. Because why I am telling is, now next month if something special happens, I'll make another magazine, I'll show you another video, you will again spend 129. So instead of spending like that every month and deciding whether you need or not, you can buy the whole package, okay, which will have more benefits. You will have more contact with me, you will be in touch. Okay, this is the 2020 test series, part of 2020, okay, till May month. So this one will have that Atmanirbhar thing, but you can buy that alone, that 1 month alone for 129. That's also fine. And this is even 1 year older than that. Okay, so this is 3 years actually. This 3 combined is 3 years. If you buy this like this, you are going to study a lot, and it will be useful for your this year and next year as well. And April month is what we give for free. So if you come and WhatsApp me, it's better to email me. If you email me April current affair or sample current affair, I'll give you this immediately, and you can have a look. But already I've shown you whatever you've seen on screen today in this video. That is what you will again see. Then this May month, July month, then this is a June, July, August. Why I put this combination? Because the prelims of 2020 got shifted to October. So some students wanted to study this. So that way also you can buy. Okay, so it's better to buy combos always so that you don't waste money. Because I want you to invest in things which will be helpful for you in the long run. Not like you get excited by seeing one video and I'll buy this, then after 2 months I'll get this one. So if you do that, it's like bits and pieces. That will not help you. You have to have that taste towards one particular teacher or one particular language, okay, in the test series. So come and subscribe. I'll wind up this video now because else it will go lengthy and lengthy. I have another interesting topic which I'll make a video today, maybe after some time, but wait for that. Okay, so come and WhatsApp me. The WhatsApp number is already given, it's here also. I'll come up with the next video soon. Till then, enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.